Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Rob. So today we're going to some of the food discoveries that I've had while we were in, lockdown. But before we get started, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe. So the first item for me is buying my drip set. I'm a big coffee drinker, and for us to not really miss, those great coffee shops, and I'd love to have my own blend as well at home. So this is very simple. This is groundbreaking for me. You don't really have to go to coffee shops anymore. So all you really have to do is to buy your favorite coffee grounds, which is for me the Commune blend. It's a local coffee shop here around Makati City. Enjoy that coffee shop blend at home. So while having a sip of your coffee, you will have to have a little bit of snacks. And the second food item, actually, it's a brand. It's called No Brand. Their packaging is great, and we've discovered these particular products of theirs. First, it's the wafer roll. I hope you see it. I hope you guys see it. And their cookies. While having a sip of some coffee in the morning, I'd love to have a little bit of extra energy and a little bit of sugar. The cookies come in these individual packs, and they come in a sets of 4 inside. So the big difference is it's not that expensive, but at the same time, quality is really good because you'll be able to really taste the chocolate. And if you buy local ones, those chocolate bits don't really taste like chocolate. It kind of really just blends in with a cookie, but this one is really great. And another would be their wafers. Their wafers are not as sweet, but though they're really crispy, and then they really just kind of melt in your mouth. So great snack. I've talked about having a cup of your coffee shop blend at home, right? And that wouldn't be complete without another discovery of mine would be have regularly at home your own whipped cream. So this is groundbreaking for me because of course you don't really usually buy this, and not a lot of households have this regularly at home. I really enjoyed having whipped cream at home because of putting that extra flavor onto your coffee, and it really makes me not miss those coffee shops. But I really use this also for pancakes and Nutella. One of the discoveries also that I made was Nutella is really great with pancakes and with your whipped cream. Alright, so maybe you're asking why pancakes, it's very regular. So when you have a 9 to 5, and when I typically work out in the morning, I really don't usually get up and eat breakfast anymore. I usually get up and just drink some whey. But since we have extra time at home, we are able to make some pancakes, and moving away from the usual pancake syrup, I'm using Nutella and then putting some whipped cream on top, which is proven to be a very good snack. Again, blends good with the coffee. So since it's really a fad to have Korean barbecue at home, what I'm not able to get regularly would be the noodles. Right, we've paired it with the instant noodles that we have locally, but this one really stands out. It really gives us a good taste of Korean, and a great pair with that Korean barbecue. So this brand, I don't even know how to read it, but it's the orange one that it's just japchae. So they're sweet potato noodles, so I'm guessing that it's healthy. If you enjoy the taste of mushroom, it will really give you a rest while eating that Korean barbecue. It's really a good tandem. So there it is. It's an orange one. You can get it from your stands. So another snack that I really enjoy and I've really discovered during this lockdown would be cherries. So again, this is something that I don't know, normal household don't have cherries at home, but putting them on top of the waffles with the whipped cream, having some ice cream, it's really a great substitute for sweetened snacks. I think it's healthier than regular sugar. So you just kind of, open it, and if you're getting tired of the savory taste, the strong taste of food, then you can just, grab one from the bottle and, tuck it out, put it on your ice cream, put it on your pancakes, then it's good. All right, that sets us off to the best home discovery, and I'm really glad that they did it. I'm really glad that they touched homes, which is Mendokar Ramen. Okay, I'm really happy that they made an effort to bring these at home, or bring these to the people that really love them. You don't really usually have ramen at home. Of course, what can I say? Mendokar Ramen has already been popular, and I'm really glad that they were able to bring it in people's homes, and I really thank you. So there you have it. So those are some of the discoveries that I've personally made and I personally enjoyed while in lockdown. It made me not really miss, the good coffee shops, the restaurants, and hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys would try them, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for joining me.